Hello students, Active Math 4th class, Unit 3 Multiplication and Division. Connections to our life. We use multiplication to find the total number of items. We use division to find how many equal groups can be formed or how many items can be shared equally between groups. Learning outcomes. Multiply 3-digit numbers by 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Multiply 4-digit numbers by 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. Estimate the product of two numbers. Divide 3-digit and 4-digit numbers by 1-digit and 2-digit numbers. Solve word problems on multiplication and division of 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Solve word problems using a combination of mathematical operations. Frame word problems involving multiplication and division. Multiplication and division SB-1. Let's connect back. I sold 131 baskets of mangoes in the market. Each basket had 4 mangoes. How many mangoes did I sell in total? We can find the answer by multiplying 131 by 4. We have learned about two methods of multiplication. Let us recall them by solving 131 into 4. Method 1. Using the box multiplication method. Step 1. Expand 131 as 100 plus 30 plus 1. Multiply each part by 4. Write the partial products. 131 100 plus 30 plus 1. 100 multiplied by 4 400. 30 multiplied by 4 120. 1 into 4 4. Then add the products. 400 plus 120 plus 4 is equal to 524. Step 2. Add the partial products. The product of the place values of the digits of two numbers is a partial product. For example, here 100 into 4 is equal to 400 is a partial product. Method 2. Using the column method. First, write the numbers in the place value table. Write the bigger number on top and the smaller number below it. Step 1. Multiply the smaller number by the digit in the ones place of the bigger number. Regroup if needed. Step 2. Multiply the smaller number by the digit in the tens place of the bigger number. Regroup if needed. Four into 1 is equal to 4 ones. 4 into 3 tens is equal to 12 tens is equal to 100 plus 2 tens. Step 3. Multiply the smaller number by the digit in the hundreds place of the bigger number. Remember to add the regrouped digit. Here 4 into 100 plus 100 is equal to 500. So 131 into 4 is equal to 524. So 524 mangoes were sold in total. Multiplication and division SB-2. Concept time 1. Multiplication by 1 digit numbers. We have learned how to multiply 3 digit numbers by a 1 digit number. We can multiply a 4 digit number by a 1 digit number in a similar way. Let us look at an example. Solved example 1. Multiply 1342 by 7. Answer. We will solve this using two methods. Method 1, using the box multiplication method. Step 1, expand 1342 as 1000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. Write the partial products. 1342, 1000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. 1000 into 7, 7000. 300 into 7, 2100. 40 into 7, 280. 2 into 7, 14. Then add the number 7000 plus 2100 plus 280 plus 14 is equal to 9394. So 1342 into 7 is equal to 9394. Step 2, add the partial products. Method 2, using the column method. First, write the numbers in the place value table. Write the bigger number on top and the smaller number below it. Step 1, multiply the smaller number by the digit in the ones place of the bigger number. Regroup if needed. Step 2, multiply the smaller number by the digit in the tens place of the bigger number. Regroup if needed. Seven into 2 ones is equal to 14 ones is equal to 110 plus 4 ones. 7 into 4 tens plus 110 is equal to 29 tens is equal to 2 hundreds plus 9 tens. Step 3, multiply the smaller number by the remaining digits of the bigger number from right to left. Regroup if needed. 7 into 3 hundreds plus carry 2 hundreds is equal to 23 hundreds is equal to 2000 plus 3 hundreds. 7 into 1000 plus 2000 carries is equal to 9000. So 1342 into 7 is equal to 9394. Multiplication and division SB3. Let's discuss. The product of a 4-digit number and a 1-digit number is always a 4-digit number. Is this statement correct? Discuss with your partner. Properties of multiplication. A. When we multiply 0 by a number, we get 0 as the product. 25 into 0 is equal to 0. 345 into 0 is equal to 0. B. When we multiply 1 by a number, we get the number itself as the product. 63 into 1 is equal to 63. 942 into 1 is equal to 942. C. The order in which we multiply two or more numbers does not change the product. 4 into 45 is equal to 45 into 4 is equal to 180. 45 into 2 into 4 is equal to 2 into 4 into 45 is equal to 360. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's think. Can you solve the following mentally? A. 79 into 10 is equal to 790. We put the 0 first and then 79 into 1, 79 like this. B. 2 into 70. We put the 0, 1, 0. Then 2 into 7. We multiply 14, 140. 10 into 300 means we put the zeros 3 and then 2 into 3. Look at the patterns given below. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. 93 into 10 is equal to 930. 520 into 10 is equal to 5200. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. 93 into 100 is equal to 9300. 520 into 100 is equal to 520 means 52,000. Like this. While multiplying a number by 10, put a 0 at the end of the number. While multiplying a number by 100, put two zeros at the end of the number. While multiplying a number by 1000, put three zeros at the end of the number. Quick maths. Multiply 7 by 50. We can write 50 as 5 into 10. So 7 into 50 is equal to 7 into 5 into 10. 7 5 is 35 into 10, 350. Multiply 70 by 50. We can write 70 as 7 into 10 and 50 as 5 into 10. So 70 into 50 is equal to 7 into 10 into 5 into 10. 7 into 5 into 10 into 10. 7 into 5 is 35 into 10 into 10 is 100. 3500. Multiplication and division SB4. Practice question number 1. Multiplication and division SB-4 practice question number 1. Multiply the following in your notebook. A 403 into 2. First we put the place value table. The digits we put in place value table. 403. Next column 2. From 2 we multiply. 2 is in ones. 2 into 3, 2 into 0, 2 into 4. Answer is 806. Question number B, 372 into 6. We put the digits in a place value table. Multiply by 6 to 372. 6 into 2 is 12. 1 carry. 6 sevens are 42 plus 1 43. 4 carry. 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 4. 6 into 3 18. 18 plus 4 22. 2 carry. Then answer is 2232. Question number C, 2312 into 3. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 1 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 is 6. Question number D, 1372 into 4. 4 into 2 8. 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 1 carry. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5488. Number is 7089 into 5. We multiply the digits by 5. 5 nines are 45. Put 5 and 4 carry. 5 eights are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 4 carry. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4. 5 sevens are 35. 3 carry. 3 is in 10,000. Answer is 35,445. Question number F. 6,309 into 7. 7 nines are 63. 6 carry. 7 zeros are 0 plus 6, 6. 7 threes are 21. 2 carry. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2, 44. 4 carry. 44,163. Answer. Seven thousand 60 into 8 is equal to 56,480. H 3,137 into 2 is equal to 6,274. I 1503 into 3 is equal to 4509. J 2130 into 9 is equal to 19,170. Question number K 3408 into 7 is equal to 23,856. Question number I 9999 into 6 is equal to 59,994. 1.2 Find the product of the following in your notebook. Question number A, 2 into 100 is equal to, put the two zeros at the end and 2 into 1 is 2. Question number B, 100 into 10, put the three zeros at the end and 1 into 1 is 1. C, 24 into 60, 1000, put 1 0 and 24 into 6, 1440. Question number D, 990 into 100 is equal to, put the three zeros at the end, 99 into 1, 99. Number E, 80 into 3000 is equal to, put the four zeros at the end and 8 into 3, 24. Question number F, 1581 into 100 is equal to, put the two zeros at the end, then 1581 into 1, 158100. Question number G, 1000 into 100 is equal to, put the five zeros at the end and 1 into 1 is 1. Question number H, 500 into 200 is equal to, put the four zeros at the end and 5 into 2 is 10. 1.3 Match the following columns, column A, column B. Question number A, 8 into 15 is equal to 15 into 8. Vice versa. In multiplication, this is also a property. B, 100 into 50 is equal to 5 into 1000. 100 into 50 is 5000. 5 into 1000 is 5000. Question number C, 625 into 0 is equal to 0. Question number D, 1000 is equal to 10 into 10 into 2 into 5. 10 into 10 is 100, 2 into 5 is 10. 100 into 10, 1000. Question number E, 1250 into 5, 6250.